Welcome to Electrical Engineering Department at Government Polytechnic Palanpur. I am Madhvi Shah, Head of Electrical Engineering Department. Our department was established in 1984 with an intake of 30, and the intake was increased to 60 in 2001 and was further increased to 90 in 2008. And last year in 2020 it was reduced to 60 again. I will begin by stating our vision statement. To provide quality education in the field of electrical engineering, to produce competent engineers to meet industry requirements with societal and environmental concern. We have framed 4 mission statements to prepare the students with strong fundamental concepts and problem-solving skills to enhance their employability in industries, to provide them a platform for developing new products that can help industry and society as a whole, to promote leadership and entrepreneurship skills in students through various projects, co-curricular, extracurricular events, to imbibe social awareness and responsibility in students to serve the society and protect environment. Our department has 6 laboratories which are well equipped. I will name the laboratories: Machine 1 and Machine 2, which houses our regular electrical machines, DC machines, AC machines, transformers; Electronics lab, Power lab, Computer lab, and we have a project lab. We have 3 classrooms and 1 multimedia room and a departmental library. We have an active SSIP cell which started in 2018, and we have funded 12 projects under SSIP, and we have filed 2 patents under SSIP. To enhance our regular teaching learning, we also regularly organize industrial visits, arrange seminars, boot camps, and other workshops. We have 12 faculty members, out of which 9 are ME Electrical and 3 are BE Electrical. In our pursuit of outcome-based philosophy, we have tried to vigorously follow outcome-based teaching learning methodology to ensure a bright future to all students passing out of the department. Thank you.
Welcome in Electrical Machine Lab. Myself, Ashok R. Patel. I am working as a lecturer in Electrical Engineering Department. We have 2 machine lab, Electrical Machine Lab 1 and Electrical Machine Lab 2. This is Electrical Machine Lab 1. Two courses are covered in this Electrical Machine Lab. First one is polyphase transformer and rotating machine, which is offered to 4th semester electrical engineering student as per GTU curriculum. Second one is applied electrical and electronic engineering, which is offered to mechanical engineering student in 3rd semester as per GTU curriculum. We have 3 major equipment. First one is DC shunt motor, 3-phase alternator set. Second one is 3-phase induction motor, DC shunt motor set, and third one is 3-phase auto synchronous machine, DC shunt motor set. With the help of DC shunt motor 3-phase alternator set, we can find out regulation of alternator by different method like direct loading method, synchronous impedance method, ampere turn method, and ZPM method. With the help of 3-phase induction motor, DC shunt motor set, we can perform direct loading test of 3-phase induction motor. With the help of 3-phase induction motor, we can perform no load test and block rotor test of 3-phase induction motor. With the help of this test, we can draw circle diagram of induction motor. Thank you.
Welcome to Electrical Machine Laboratory 2. Myself Ravindra Chawda, working as a lecturer in Electrical Engineering Department, Government Polytechnic, Palanpur. In this laboratory, student will perform experiments for two courses. First is DC machine and transformer, which is offered in 3rd sem for the electrical engineering student, and second is AC circuit, which is also offered for 3rd sem student as per GTU curriculum. These two are single phase transformers. On this machine, student will perform open circuit and short circuit test on transformer, direct loading test on transformer, and parallel operation of transformer. This is a cut section of DC machine, so student can see different parts of DC machine and they can understand working of DC machine. This is a machine tutor turbo set. On this machine, student will perform different experiment for the characteristic of different kind of DC generator. This is a rectifier unit, so we will give AC supply to the rectifier unit and we will get DC from this unit. This is a DC shunt motor. On this machine, student will perform two experiments. One is speed control of DC shunt motor by field control method and armature control method, and second is Sumner test for the DC machine. This is the main panel of this laboratory from which supply comes in the laboratory. These are the general instructions for student which they have to follow in the laboratory sessions, and these are the portions which students should take care while performing the experiments. Machine, student can perform experiments to find out characteristics of different kind of DC generators: shunt generator, series generator, and compound generator.
Myself ID Chaudhary, lecturer in Electrical Engineering Department and in charge of this multimedia facility. Welcomes to Multimedia Room of Electrical Engineering Department. The multimedia facility is at room number A101, first floor of main building, and it has a seating capacity of 60 students. The multimedia room equipped with top mounted projector, speaker, screen and seating arrangements. This facility enhances the teaching learning process through short videos, audiobooks, presentations, animations, etc. This is the facility where faculty can deliver their digital content on various topics of electrical engineering, which is very useful for students and helps in better visualization, deeper understanding, access to vast varieties of information, global exploration, and educational videos can provide more opportunity for students to engage with the contents. Thank you.
Welcome in Electronics Lab. Myself Tejpal P. Purohit, working as a lecturer in Electrical Engineering Department. This lab utilizes total 3 courses. First course is Electric Circuit and Component, which is offered for 3rd semester student. Second course is Digital Electronics and Digital Instruments, which is offered for 4th semester student. And third one is Power Electronics, which is offered for 5th semester student. I am the course coordinator of Power Electronic course. Electronic Circuit and Component course, there are many instruments is available as per GTU curriculum, like Hartley oscillator, Colpitts oscillator, and the third one is full wave bridge rectifier. In this experiment, we provide the sinusoidal signal as a AC signal and get the output as a DC signal. The DC is not a pure DC, this DC is the pulsating DC. I am the course coordinator of Power Electronics. In this subject, student will perform the single phase fully controlled rectifier. In this kit, if we change the firing angle, then the intensity of bulb will be changed. If we change the firing angle low, the intensity also change. And the second one is study of triac and AC phase controller. Third one is SCR-VI characteristic. We have also this type of kit is available: parallel inverter, IGBT characteristic, time delay, single phase cycloconverter and VFD drive. I will hand over to the another subject which is digital electronics and digital instrument to Ankit Gajjar sir.
Hello, I am Ankit Gajjar, working as a lecturer in electrical engineering department. I am the subject coordinator of digital electronics and digital instrument, and all these trainer kits which is shown here are set according to CO. Now all the trainer kits is shown here, that is according to Zio's curriculum. That is first kit shown here, that is binary to gray and gray to binary converter, which is operating at we have input 4 input, that is S0, S1, S2 and S3. According to that, LED is glow. Now second, that is analog to digital converter. Third is digital logic gates to inner kit. Fourth, that is adder and subtractor to inner kit. Digital to analog converter and BCD to binary converter. Thank you.
Namaskar, welcome to the Power Lab of Electrical Engineering Department. My name is Prashant Kanayalal Bhavsar, working as a lecturer in Electrical Engineering Department. In this Power Lab, we are conducting a performance of 3 courses from Electrical Engineering, 2 from 6th semester and 1 from 3rd semester. Switch gear protections and installation, commissioning and maintenance, and from 3rd semester, electrical instrumentation. As we know, the advancement and development of science and technology that depends upon the parallel progress of a measurement technique. Measurement and advanced measurement involves the instrument and instrumentation. Electrical instrumentation is an art and science for measurement, control and monitoring a various non-electrical and electrical parameters. This electrical instrumentation laboratory will engage the student for rigorous experimental learning in the field of electrical instrumentation. This laboratory is also facilitated with the measurement of EMF with the help of this potentiometer. We can also measure the medium range of resistance with the help of Weston bridge. We are measuring a very low range of resistance using this Kelvin bridge. Measuring a insulation resistance, high resistance with the help of this Megger. Measuring a capacitance using a de Sauty bridge, and one of the important non-electrical quantity displacement we are measuring with the help of this linear variable differential transducer. Another important course, switch gear and protections, in 6th semester. In this laboratory, student enhance the skill in the psychomotor domain as well as affective domain. Student can perform the characteristic of electromechanical relay, overcurrent electromechanical relay, with the help of this one relay, and this is the earth fault relay. Student can learn the basics element of protective system, that is fuse, by performing
its characteristic, we are giving a certain amount of voltage and increase the current. When the current is increased, the rated capacity of fuse wire, the fuse wire will be blow out. Here the protections of induction motor protection simulator panel. In this panel we can set the various protection under voltage, over current, under frequency and the negative phase sequence. We can provide protections with the help of this panel. We can set with the numerical relay of this. This is the panel of differential protections of three-phase transformer. Here we are comparing the two current, incoming current and outgoing current with the help of CT, and CT will send signal to the numerical relay, which is MICOM, and appropriate decision taking by this relay. Whenever the internal fault is created, the relay will give the tripping signal.
Welcome to our computer laboratory. Myself Mahesh Patel. I am lecturer in electrical engineering department. We all learn connected with computer with require software like AutoCAD, PSIM, LogiSim and Microsoft Office. We conducted 3 courses in this laboratory. First one, Basic Computer of Information and Technology in first semester. In this semester, students learn how to install operating system and identify the parts of CPU like RAM, hard disk, motherboard, etc. And also learn to Microsoft Office like Excel, Word, PowerPoint and Internet surfing. Second course is Computer Aided Electrical Drawing and Simulation. In fourth semester, students learn how to draw electrical and electronic symbol in AutoCAD and also electrical and electronic circuit draw in AutoCAD. Simulation is also run in PSIM. Third course is Microcontroller and Application. In this fifth sem, students also use this laboratory to prepare project, report and presentation. Thank you.
Welcome to Microprocessor and Controller Application Laboratory. Myself Ashfaq Qureshi. In this laboratory, we are having NVIS kits. As you can see here, the list of available kits and available interfacing module. By scanning this QR code, student can directly go to the video of the performance. As you can see here, we have 8085 trainer kit, which is NVIS product, and we are having many interfacing modules. We are showing student how to load and execute the program. Diploma student is basically user of microprocessor and microcontroller based device, and we train them to load the program and use the kit and see the result, observe the result, and we are giving the program to the students, and they are loading in this kit and they are running the programs with and without interfacing. We are having many interfacing kit like 7 segment display, LCD module, stepper motor, traffic light controller and LCD display. And one more thing I want to add, that we are using virtual laboratory to demonstrate that different kinds of PLC based programming like ladder diagram and all that we are showing with virtual laboratory, and students are quite enjoying it. Thank you. Welcome to Department Library. It is the additional facility created for the benefit of student, and it is a very peaceful atmosphere, and we have tried to provide some facilities to the students. As you can see that we have also reference book and the sample lab manuals for the students. Student can also refer the old project reports. The old project reports of their seniors are available for the reference. As you can see here, we have 2 computers for students, and the college is registered with National Digital Library of IIT Kharagpur, and these 2 PCs are fully loaded with different materials. We have NPTEL video lectures and video lectures made by our faculty members, and many reference materials, animations, and many e-books. We have more than 300 books, and the books may be technical, non-technical, aptitude type, and some spiritual books are also available with library. So we wish that student can learn here, and we are also providing them some software which are doing demo version and student version software for that practice, and our student can take benefit of this library facility to enhance their skills and knowledge. Thank you.
Welcome to Electrical Workshop Practice and Project Lab. We using this lab for 2 courses. First one is Electrical Workshop and Practice, and second one is Project Lab. Myself Sanjay H. Chaudhary, lecturer in Electrical Department, and I am in charge of this lab. Electrical Workshop and Practice Lab focusing on providing to hands-on experience and basic knowledge of various electrical components and various handmade tools. In this lab, students learn also about the working and measuring instruments like digital voltmeter, RLC meter. This helps to student in analysis the circuit. In this lab, student also learns about the different electronics parameters, testing and working of these components. Here in this lab, this is a model of demonstration model of connection of tube light, which help of the student learns about the working and connection of the different tool like electrical tube light, fans, bulbs, and its connections. In this lab, students learn essentials to soldering and desoldering the procedure and also PCB design. In this lab, student also learns about the single phase home wiring is useful for the make the single phase connections and the different electrical series and parallel circuit. This lab facilitates students also the using different hardware tools like as a plier, screwdrivers, conduit cutter, and different shaping materials, which also helps to students to making their semester and end semester projects. All these things happen under the expert advice and safety measures. This is a rubrics for the electrical workshop and practice lab. This is also helps to continuous evaluation of the students in every practical session.
Myself Brijesh Patel, lecturer in Electrical Department and course coordinator of project final year project. This is our project lab. In this project lab, we offer student final year project for making the different project. Actually, we starting training the student from the very first year. In the first year, we motivating student to participate in boot camp and to learn the latest technology like Arduino, Raspberry Pi, Tinkercad, and from the first year or from this third sem students starting working on the real problem to find its solution. And in final year we offer student to choose the project problem, real life problem as a solution. In final semester project we offer student well-defined problem as a project title, and our student making a very good project, very good quality of project. Like let's see the different project made by our student. This is demonstration of three-phase induction motor project. This project is made by our final year student, and this project is connected with DOL starter, direct online starter. This direct online starter is also one of our final year project. This is one more project by our final year student, screen printing machine. In this screen printing machine, our student tried to make a automatic screen printing machine, so human work will be reduced. Now one more project, auto intensity control of street light system. This project will be very useful to save the electricity in street light. This project is related to promote the green energy. In this solar panel is connected with the motor, so automatically angle will change as the sunlight will change. So we can absorb the maximum energy from the sunlight. This is one more project, Bluetooth based home automation system prepared by our final year student. You can control the number of appliances using by simple mobile application. This project is made by the third semester student to avoid the accident during driving. If we wear this glass, during driving, if we go in the sleeping mode, then automatically buzzer will ring up.